are solving for the independent variable. We've talked about this before. The independent variable is the same as the domain. The domain is the same as the input. So that means the independent variable is the input, which in this situation it's x. So we are solving for x. That means we have to get x by itself. Now another way to look at this is it tells us find the value of x, which is what we're finding, for which h of x is a -7. That means we are replacing the entire h of x with -7. So we are getting this out of here, and we are putting -7 in its place. So -7 equals 2/3 x minus 5. Now all we got to do is solve it like a normal linear equation. Add 5. -7 plus 5 is a -2. We have -2 equals 2/3 x. Now I'm going to rewrite it up top so we can talk about what we're going to do next. We still have a -2 equals 2/3 x. And remember, you have two options here. You can either A, divide 2 by 2/3 in your calculator, or B, we can multiply by the reciprocal, and the reciprocal is the opposite of a fraction. So the opposite of 2/3 is 3/2. If we multiply by 3/2, we cancel out everything, and we have to multiply over here by 3/2. When we multiply by 3/2, we know that -2 is over 1. -2 times 3 is a -6. 1 times 2 is 2. -6/2 turns into a -3. So our final answer is x equals a -3. Okay, now move on to the next one. M of x equals 7. So we are taking this m of x out and we are putting 7 in its place. 7 equals 4x plus 15. We subtract 15. 7 minus 15 gives us a -8. And now we know that we have to divide by 4, which gives us x equals a -2. Okay, now we're going to solve the one on the right. We see immediately our k of x equals 15. That means we are knocking out our k of x. We are putting 15 in its place. 15 equals 6x minus 12. Again, we are just solving this like a normal linear equation. We add 12. We know 15 plus 12 is 27. And now we have to divide by 6. Now you can either divide 27 by 6 and get your answer, or you can reduce the fraction. So we have two possible answers. We have x equals, we got 4.5, or the reduced form of 27/6 is 9/2, because we can divide them both by 3. So I'll accept either of those answers, 4.5 or 9/2. Of course, like I said, if you have any questions, please ask me in class. Okay, we are going to move on to the monitoring progress 3. Okay, go ahead and pause the video, do the monitoring progress on your own, and then play it because we're going to go over it together. Okay, in this situation, we see that f of x equals 21. That means we are taking f of x out. We are putting 21 in its place. So we have 21 equals 6x plus 9. The way to solve this is we subtract 9. 21 minus 9 is 12. And now we have to divide by 6. So we have 2 equals x, or x equals 2. Now move on to the next one. We are putting a -1 in g of x's place, so we take g of x out, put a -1 in. So -1 equals -1/2 x plus 2. First thing we have to do is subtract our 2. That gives us a -3 equals a -1/2 x. And again, this is a situation where you can either divide by 1/2 to both sides, or we can multiply by the reciprocal. When we are dividing by 1/2, we are technically multiplying it by 2/1, which is just 2, right? So we're multiplying this by a -2. A negative 3 times a negative 2 is a positive 6. So 6 equals x. Make sure you get those both right. If you do, you're ready to move on. It's the homework.